This video answers the search how to buy shares of Bakkavor, a UK prepared foods manufacturer listed on LSE plc with the ticker BAKK.L. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. To buy Bakkavor shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BAKK.L to find Bakkavor. Select the matching listing to ensure you locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is the correct Bakkavor listing. Check the exchange shows LSE plc and the ticker BAKK.L. Press Invest, choose the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading resumes. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add them before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio. For more details, the link to eToro is available in the description.